Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to activate your current debit card. If you don't have a current account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn $50 when you join and receive a qualifying direct deposit. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see an Activate Card button at the upper part of the screen. Click on Activate Card. First, enter your card's expiration date. Then click on Next. After that, enter the CVV code, printed on the back of your debit card. Once entered, click on Next. Lastly, create a 4-digit PIN. Enter it on the fields provided, then click on Confirm. That's how you activate your current debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.